Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to calculate percentage in Excel. So, we have taken this sample data as there are 10 students who have obtained following marks. In column number 3, marks obtained are given, and in column number 4, total marks are given. So, we have to calculate the percentage of marks obtained. So the formula will be equal marks obtained divided by total marks. Enter, and you can see there is 0.77. Click on this. So go here in percent style. Click on this and it is converted into percentage. Drag this to the bottom and this is the percentage of marks obtained. To further get exact value, click here on increase decimal and increase it to 2 decimal. So this is how you can calculate percentage in Excel. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.